2021 TRX. That's what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Go ahead. So it's still got tone again. Right at 105. One more. So this is factory. We're gonna change it up. Stay tuned. All right, guys. 2021 Ram TRX. Beautiful truck. You guys can see one of my favorites. I love that color too. Let me show you guys what we've done. Converter. Then it comes true dual from the factory into an X pipe. Then we took the two mufflers off, as you guys can see there, and replaced them with two Flowmaster Super 10s. Part number H42515. There'll be a link in the description and on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Then we have to add two sleeves on it to make it fit. There's the tailpipes out the back, and these tailpipes come with resonators on them on the sides. He didn't want it crazy loud, so we left the resonators on it. So you can always get those cut off or blocked off. There's a total of 3 on each side of these. So if you guys don't know, that's what these do. See, they leak exhaust and quiet it down. And then it's finished off nicely in some 5-inch black tips that we didn't change. They just look good. Or actually, it's like 4.5, but they still look good. But there it is, Ram TRX, ready to be loud and a menace. And there's the stock 2 mufflers that were on it that we cut off right there. All right?
Thank you.
So you're welcome. Have a great day. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, we got a 2021 TRX. Custom wheels, fuels, lift. Really nice truck. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got factory converter. Then they come true dual 3-inch out of the factory on each side into a factory X pipe. Then 3-inch continues. And what we did is we took the 2 mid mufflers off and replaced them with 2 Flowmaster Outlaws right there. Part number 15430. There'll be a link in the description for them. Right there. Then the true duals continue out the back and to the tailpipes on each side. And they still got the baffles on the sides for the resonation, so it doesn't make a lot of drone inside. So we left those alone for now. If he wants to get it louder, we can patch them and close them up. And then the rear stays the same also with the tips, as you guys can see on each side. 5-inch angle cut tips, black. Double wall right there. That was just to line it up correctly. Right there, they came out clean. There's the mid mufflers that we cut off right there. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. All right, Ram TRX 2021 with Flowmaster Super 10s. Here we go. True dual. Go ahead. That sounds really good. Give it gas. Oh, what a beast. Again. Now it sounds like a truck. Wow, Super 10s don't disappoint. Flowmaster. Go ahead. Your sound decibels. Right at 112. Again. Oh, that sounds so good. Whoa. Gotta back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Right here off Dickerson Pike. 3560 Dickerson Pike, right down the street from Skyline Hospital. There's our beautiful shop, guys, by the way. Looks good with the Ram TRX coming out too. It's a beautiful truck. I think it's time. I can't resist no more. I need this. Doesn't put a smile on your face, I don't know what will. Believe me. One more. Wow. Let you guys guys hear on the inside. Now it sounds like a truck, man. Really nice idle. Here's idle on it. Right at 81. Give it gas. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. It's ready to eat. It's hungry. It's ready to eat anything on the road. Wow. Here's sound decibels again. Right at 115. It hit 116 earlier. Just what the doctor ordered?
That's right.
All right. I love it. They're happy. I'm happy. That's all that matters. TRX. I like it. Those wheels fit in nicely, dude. Yeah. Give me more. I love it. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. There's our phone number. Hit us up right down the street. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Ram TRX Flowmaster Super Tank. He might break it back and we cut the resonators off. We'll see. You might want it a little bit louder. I like it. This sounds perfect to me. What a beast. I love the power, man. You can never beat the power of a TRX. Woo! What a beauty. Enjoy, guys. Ram 1500 TRX edition. 6.2 supercharged liters of raw TRX pavement eating power.